Once upon a time, in the great jungle, all the animals lived together, big and small. Leo the lion was the king of the jungle. He was big, strong, and proud. One day, a little ant named Antonia was carrying food back to her hill, but she got stuck in the mud. Leo the lion saw her and laughed. "You're too small to matter. You'll never make it." Suddenly, dark clouds covered the sky, and a terrible storm began to roar through the jungle. The mighty Leo was trapped by the fallen branches, too heavy for him to lift alone. Antonia saw the lion in trouble and called her friends. "We may be small, but we can help," she said. Together, the ants worked as a team, lifting the branches off Leo with all their strength. Leo was shocked. "You're small, but together you are strong. I was wrong to laugh at you," he said gratefully. From that day on, Leo and the ants became great friends, and Leo learned that no one is too small to make a big difference. The moral of the story: no matter how small you are, when you work together, you can achieve great things. Thanks for joining us on this exciting adventure. Until next time, stay brave, stay kind, and keep exploring. Bye-bye, everyone!